Okay, hi guys. I'm Taka-aki at the Institute of Post-LED Photonics here in Tokushima University. In my lab, we have been currently targeting nanoscale optical sciences and also technologies dealing with nanoscale light-matter interactions. So these are so-called nanophotonics in my field. So in my nanophotonics field, I'm intensively utilizing the nanoscale metallic or semiconducting materials with various sizes and shapes. And these nanomaterials can generate very intense, very strong, and also very tiny, very small light sources with various wavelengths, ranging from ultraviolet to visible and even to the infrared wavelength regions. So we are currently intensively applying these nano-optical techniques for developing nanoscale optical devices and also even highly sensitive biosensors, which enable us to demonstrate recently very rapid detection of the coronavirus even in a few minutes. So in my lab, here in the dark room, we have been developing the very advanced optical microscope in combination with various visible and infrared lasers. We are utilizing these nanoscale optical microscopes for investigating the nanoscale optical properties of the variety of advanced materials, which have been never observed by the conventional optical techniques. So we are working on not only development of the advanced microscopes, but also the design and also fabrication of the variety of nanomaterials, which can work as a nanoscale light source in my research. Okay, I'm so excited to welcome any of you with a various background, including physics, not only physics, but also chemistry and biologies. And please come to join my lab and also enjoy the nanoscale optical science and technologies here in Tokushima University.